Imagine this. A bright light pierces the night sky. It grows larger, brighter, closer. The world watches in awe. Aliens have arrived. This is no longer science fiction, it's our reality. For millennia we have looked to the stars. We have wondered, are we alone? Now we have our answer. But with this answer come countless questions. How will we react? What will they be like? This is the ultimate scenario, and it's a scenario we need to be prepared for. Because the day aliens land on Earth, everything changes. The initial reaction? Global panic. Fear of the unknown grips humanity. Governments scramble. World leaders address their citizens, urging calm. Scientists are both terrified and excited, a chance to study extraterrestrial life. The public? A mixture of fear, curiosity and disbelief. Social media explodes, conspiracy theories run wild, religious leaders offer interpretations, the world waits holding its breath for the aliens' next move. Communication is key. But how do you talk to a being from another world? Linguists, mathematicians and scientists work feverishly. They search for patterns in the alien signals. They look for common ground: mathematics, physics, the laws of nature. It's a race against time. Can we understand each other before fear leads to conflict? The world watches and waits. Every beep, every flash of light from the alien craft is analyzed, dissected, hoping for a breakthrough. The future of humanity may depend on it. Let's imagine the aliens come in peace. What knowledge might they possess? Advanced technologies beyond our wildest dreams. Imagine cures for diseases, clean energy solutions, spacecraft that defy our understanding of physics. The possibilities are endless. But are we ready for such advancements? The potential for progress is staggering, but so is the potential for misuse. It will be up to humanity to use this knowledge wisely for the betterment of all. Section 5. One world, one people. The arrival of aliens could unite humanity. Faced with a common other, our differences might seem insignificant. Imagine a world without war, without poverty, without hunger. A world where we work together, sharing resources and knowledge. A utopian dream, perhaps, but one that suddenly seems within reach. However, the opposite is also possible. The arrival of aliens could exacerbate existing tensions. Nations might compete for the aliens' favor, leading to conflict. The future is uncertain. Section 6. The New World Order, Politics in the Cosmic Age. The geopolitical landscape is forever altered. As humanity reaches for the stars, the very fabric of our political systems is being rewoven. Nations that once vied for dominance on Earth now find themselves in a new arena, where the stakes are not just territorial but cosmic. The United Nations take center stage. New alliances form, old rivalries resurface. Who speaks for Earth? Who controls the technology? Who makes the rules? These questions are no longer theoretical but immediate and pressing. The UN, once a platform for global dialogue, now becomes the crucible where the future of interstellar diplomacy is forged. These questions spark debate and discord. In conference rooms and on the streets, voices rise in passionate arguments. The balance of power is in flux, and every decision carries the weight of potential global impact. Citizens demand transparency and accountability, while leaders grapple with unprecedented challenges. The world enters a new era of cosmic diplomacy. Traditional diplomacy is being redefined as we establish protocols for space exploration and colonization. International diplomats, now joined by space diplomats, work tirelessly to create frameworks that ensure peaceful coexistence beyond our planet. The stakes are higher than ever before. Every negotiation, every treaty, every handshake could mean the difference between a united Earth and a fractured one. The pressure is immense, and the eyes of the world are watching. The decisions made in this new world order will determine the fate of humanity. As we venture into the cosmos, the choices we make today will echo through the corridors of time, shaping the destiny of generations to come. Will we rise to the occasion, or will we be our own worst enemy? The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear. The politics of the cosmic age will test the very essence of what it means to be human. Our ability to collaborate, to innovate, and to empathize will be our greatest assets or our greatest downfalls. Section 7. Clash of cultures from curiosity to conflict. Cultural exchange is inevitable. But what happens when our values, our beliefs, our way of life clash with those of an alien civilization? Will we embrace their differences? Or will fear and misunderstanding lead to conflict? Will we share our art, our music, our stories? Or will we retreat into our own cultures, suspicious and afraid? The potential for both cooperation and conflict is immense. Bridging the cultural divide will be one of the greatest challenges humanity has ever faced. Section 8. The existential question, are we alone? This question has fascinated humanity for centuries, sparking curiosity and wonder. As we gaze up at the night sky, filled with countless stars and galaxies, we can't help but ponder our place in the vast expanse of the universe. The discovery of extraterrestrial life has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. It challenges our perceptions and forces us to rethink everything we know about life and existence. Imagine the moment when we finally detect a signal or find evidence of life beyond Earth. It would be a monumental breakthrough, reshaping our scientific paradigms and philosophical beliefs. It means we are not alone. The universe, once thought to be a vast empty void, would suddenly become teeming with possibilities. The idea that other civilizations might exist, perhaps more advanced than our own, opens up a realm of exciting and daunting prospects. It means life may be common throughout the cosmos. The discovery of even the simplest microbial life on another planet would suggest that life is not a rare occurrence, but a natural outcome of the universe's processes. This realization would prompt us to explore further, to seek out other worlds where life might thrive. It forces us to reconsider our place in the universe. Are we special? Are we insignificant? The knowledge that we are part of a larger cosmic community would humble us, making us reflect on our achievements and our responsibilities. It would inspire a sense of unity and shared destiny among all inhabitants of Earth. These questions, once the domain of philosophers and theologians, become urgent and real. The search for extraterrestrial life is no longer just a theoretical exercise. It is a quest that involves cutting-edge science and technology. From ancient stargazers to modern astronomers, humanity has always sought to understand its place in the cosmos. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence takes on new meaning. Projects like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, are at the forefront of this endeavor, scanning the skies for signals that might indicate the presence of other civilizations. These efforts are driven by the hope that we are not alone and that we might one day make contact with beings from another world. We are no longer just searching for signals from the stars. We are sending our own messages, reaching out into the cosmos in the hope that someone, somewhere is listening. Our space probes carry messages intended for any intelligent life that might encounter them, symbols of our desire to connect and communicate. We are searching for ourselves, for our place in the grand scheme of things. The quest to find extraterrestrial life is, in many ways, a journey of self-discovery. It challenges us to look beyond our own world and to consider the broader context of our existence. As we continue to explore the universe, we are driven by the hope that we will find answers to the age-old question, are we alone? Are we? Section 9. A new era for humanity. The arrival of aliens marks a turning point in human history. For centuries, we have looked up at the stars and wondered if we were alone in the universe. Now, we have our answer. The presence of these extraterrestrial beings has changed everything we thought we knew about our place in the cosmos. It is a time of great uncertainty, but also a time of great opportunity. The emotions we feel are a mix of fear, excitement, and curiosity. Families gather, friends discuss, and communities come together, all trying to make sense of this new reality. The questions are endless and the answers are few, but the potential for growth is immense. We have the chance to learn from a civilization that is potentially millions of years ahead of us. Imagine the scientific breakthroughs, the technological advancements, and the new philosophies we could adopt. Our scientists are already hard at work, deciphering alien technology and trying to understand their way of life. In classrooms around the world, students are being introduced to concepts that were once the stuff of science fiction. We have the chance to solve some of the most pressing problems facing our planet. With their advanced technology, we could address climate change, eradicate diseases, and ensure that no one goes hungry. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits could be monumental. Imagine a world where clean energy is abundant, where medical advancements cure previously incurable diseases, and where our environment is restored to its natural beauty. We have the chance to become something more than we ever thought possible. This collaboration could lead to a new era of human evolution, where we transcend our current limitations and reach new heights of achievement. Working side by side with these advanced beings, we could unlock potentials within ourselves that we never knew existed, but it will not be easy. There are those who fear the unknown and resist change. Protests have erupted, and some demand that we reject these visitors. The military prepares for potential threats, unsure of the aliens' true intentions. The path forward is fraught with challenges, and the stakes have never been higher. It will require courage, wisdom, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Our leaders must navigate this unprecedented situation with care and foresight. Astronauts and scientists prepare for missions that will take them closer to these beings, hoping to build bridges of understanding. The decisions we make now will shape the future of our species. It will require us to come together as a species and face the future as one. This is a moment that calls for unity, for setting aside our differences and working towards a common goal. Imagine a world where people from all walks of life, from every corner of the globe, come together to celebrate our shared humanity under the alien sky. This new era holds the promise of a brighter future, but only if we are willing to embrace it together. Section 10. Our Future Among the Stars. The arrival of aliens opens up a universe of possibilities. Perhaps one day we will travel to their world. Perhaps we will explore the galaxy together. The future is unwritten. But one thing is certain. The day the aliens landed on Earth, humanity's destiny changed forever. We are no longer alone in the universe, and that is a beautiful and terrifying thing.